NIGUO gukinyaniria mubango mweru wa motungata ma urigitani, thirikari ikoretwo ikiarira mibango etiganite na maafitha kuma Ministry ya UGIMA wa MWIRI makoretwo magicera mathibitari-ini matiganite na itanya ria kurora ukinyaniru wamo hari uheani wa motungata kuri muingi. Na umuthi riboti ya NDARI igie mathibitari guku bururi-ini ya Rugurio igongona riria rigutongoragio ni Minister wa UGIMA wa MWIRI Susan Nakumicha. No na thengia wa thibitari nyingi iria irikuo, riboti ino yonanitie no gicunji kia MUGWANJA gia thibitari iria iri na uhoti wa kuheana motungata maria marabatarania kuri muingi wa bururi. Na Kumicha akiuga riboti ino ni gukorwo igiteithia hari gukurana mathenya maingi maria mariho.
Many Kenyans have been asking why we had to go to the extent of changing the law. But today the data has exonerated the ministry that of all the facilities in this country, only 7% are ready to provide services, and that only 6% of the tracer pharmaceutical services are available in facilities.
Thibitari 14,366 nicio ciatanyitwo gukinyirwo hari ungani uyu wa NDARI, no thibitari makiria nicio ciakinyirirwo iria ni thibitari 14,883 na thibitari 12,384 niciaigaga riboti ciao ciĩgiĩ urigitani mutambo-ini. Thibitari 736 ari iria itaigite riboti ciothe, nacio thibitari 1,560 ni ciahingite hindi ya mihang'o ino, nacio ingi 203 ikigiria maabithaya a ungania wa NDARI kuingira thibitari-ini ciao. Agikindira bata wa ukinyaniru wa mathibitari maria maraheana motungata ma UGIMA wa MWIRI. Na Kumicha ni athite mwandiki mukaru wa UGIMA wa MWIRI wa muingi Mary Muthoni oro undu umwe na murugamiriri munene wa kanjo ya KMPDC gutigirira thibitari ici 203 ni ciathurimwo ukinyaniru wacio. Muthoni akiongerera ati ikuũ nyingi cikoretwo ikiumana na andu kurigitwo mirimu iria matarwarite.
The two of you are hereby directed to ensure that those facilities that locked us out are inspected with immediate effect, and for those that closed strategically so that not to be inspected are equally inspected, so that we know what is it that they are hiding.
The mortality rate in this country, much of it is caused by misdiagnosis.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri munene wa UGIMA wa MWIRI Patrick Amothi akiuga thibitari nyingi cia thirikari ni irabatara kugacirithio makiria, kuona riboti ino yonanitie motungata maingi ma thibitari cia level 3 na level 4 muingi umonaga thibitari-ini cia andu kiumbe kana iria iri rungu rwa makanitha. Akiuga no gukoretwo na unyihu wa arigitani.
As much as we are trying to deliver UHC through primary healthcare approach, we still have huge gaps in level 2, level 3, and a bit of level 4 facilities. And therefore, even as we commence this journey, if we don't address these gaps, then it will be a mirage to achieve UHC.
Na ciĩgiĩ thibitari iria ikoretwo itegutumirwo mbeca ni NHIF thutha wa kurigita muingi. Na Kumicha ugite kuma mwambĩrĩrio wa kiumia turorete nginyagia tariki 31 mweri uyu, ciringi bilioni 3 ni igukorwo ikirekererio niguo kuriha mathibitari maya niguo muingi ndukage motungata.
That by the end of this year, that is by 30th of December, a total of 3 billion Kenya shillings is going to be paid out to all the facilities.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni jetagwo Wangui wa Muirori.